If navigating the airport leaves you more exhausted than the flight itself, you're not alone. The endless walking, hard-to-read app screens, dying phone battery, and last-minute gate changes all add up quickly. That's before you even factor in managing medications, mobility challenges, and the anxiety of making it to boarding on time. So today, I'm sharing 20 practical tips to take the edge off your airport experience. Less time on your feet, less stress, and fewer regrettable splurges. And if helpful travel advice like this is your thing, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Let's get started. Number 1. Give your boarding pass a quick scan first. Before even stepping into the airport maze, take a moment to really look at the boarding pass. Most travelers glance at the gate and move on, but there's more hidden in plain sight. The boarding group tells exactly when it's time to move, which helps avoid unnecessary standing. The seat number quietly reveals how fast the exit will be after landing, which matters more than it seems during tight connections. And the terminal information answers one big question early. Is this going to be a short stroll or a cross-airport expedition? A quick scan now prevents confusion later and turns that small piece of paper or screen into a mini travel roadmap. Number 2. Pack a snack trio that actually works. Airport food pricing can feel like it belongs in a luxury catalog rather than a travel day. But beyond cost, the bigger issue is how it affects energy levels. A simple trick is to pack 3 types of snacks before leaving home. One should be filling, something that keeps hunger steady rather than spiking it. Another should be low in salt to avoid feeling bloated or overly thirsty during the flight. The last one should be quick and easy to eat, especially useful when boarding starts suddenly. This small habit keeps energy stable and avoids the roller coaster feeling that comes from relying only on airport food. Number 3. Keep your essentials in your carry-on always. Checked luggage has a habit of going on its own adventure sometimes. For seniors, that's more than an inconvenience because it can involve medications, medical devices, or other essentials. The safest approach is simple. Anything that cannot be replaced easily should always stay in the carry-on bag. This includes prescriptions, chargers for medical equipment, important documents, and even a change of clothes for longer trips. Think of checked luggage as optional comfort, while the carry-on is survival gear. That mindset alone removes a huge layer of anxiety. Number 4. Choose the calm path after security. Once past security, airports tend to open up like a shopping mall designed to pull attention in every direction. Bright stores, winding paths, and tempting displays can quietly add extra walking without even realizing it. The smarter move is to pause for a moment, check the airport map, and identify the most direct route to the gate. Overhead signs are the real guides, not the storefronts at eye level. Staying slightly to the outer edges of walkways often leads to straighter, less crowded paths. It's like finding the quiet current in a busy river instead of getting swept into the chaos. Number 5. Use wall outlets instead of USB ports. When the phone battery dips into the red zone, those public USB charging ports look like tiny lifesavers. But not all of them are just about power. Some can transfer data as well, which adds a small but real risk. A safer approach is to carry a personal charger and plug into a standard wall outlet whenever possible. Even better, a compact power bank can keep devices running without needing to hunt for a socket. It's a simple habit that protects personal information, while keeping the phone alive for boarding passes and updates. Number 6. Ask for help before using kiosks. Self-service kiosks are everywhere now, and while they're designed for convenience, they can quickly turn confusing. One wrong tap can send the process down a path that's hard to undo. The best approach is to ask for assistance before starting. Airport staff are often nearby, ready to guide the process step by step. Getting help early keeps everything smooth and avoids that stressful moment of being stuck while a line forms behind. It's not about ability, it's about making the process easier and faster. Number 7. Request mobility assistance early. Airports are getting bigger, not smaller, and the distance between security and the gate can feel endless. If walking long distances causes discomfort, there's no reason to push through it. Airports offer wheelchair and cart services designed exactly for this purpose. The key is to request it early, either while booking the ticket or at check-in. Waiting until exhaustion sets in makes the experience harder than it needs to be. Using available support isn't a last resort, it's a smart travel strategy. Number 8. Take a quiet break before boarding. Modern airports can feel like a constant wave of noise and motion. For seniors, that environment can quickly become overwhelming. Many airports offer quiet rooms, meditation spaces, or multi-faith areas that are free to use. These spaces are usually calmer, dimmer, and tucked away from the crowds. Spending even 10 minutes there can reset energy levels and reduce stress before boarding. It's like stepping out of a storm into a calm pocket of silence, then returning refreshed and ready for the next step. Number 9. Wash your hands before security checks. Security screenings sometimes include a quick hand swab test. It's designed to detect trace chemicals, but harmless everyday substances like lotions or cleaning residue can trigger it. Washing hands before entering the security line reduces the chances of extra screening. Keeping lotions light on travel day also helps. If additional screening does happen, staying calm and cooperative usually means it's over quickly. A small preparation step can prevent unnecessary delays. Number 10. Take photos of your luggage before check-in. Suitcases can look surprisingly similar when described from memory. Before handing over a checked bag, take a quick photo of it along with the baggage tag. This creates a visual record that makes identification much easier if something goes missing. Removing old stickers and tags beforehand also prevents confusion during scanning. It's a small action that adds a layer of security without any extra effort. Number 11. Use a free shortcut through immigration. After a long international flight, the last thing anyone wants is to stand in a slow-moving immigration line that feels like it stretches forever. There is a lesser-known option that can speed things up at many airports called Mobile Passport Control. This official app allows travelers to submit passport details and customs information directly from their phone. Once submitted, a separate lane is often available for faster processing. The important part is setting it up before the trip, not while standing in a crowded arrival hall. While it's not available everywhere, when it is, it can feel like skipping the longest chapter of the journey. Number 12. Choose flights with more time between connections. Tight connections can turn an airport into a high-pressure race. Long walks, delays, and unexpected gate changes all add up quickly. A better strategy is to choose flights with a bit more breathing room between connections. Even an extra hour can transform the experience from stressful to manageable. It allows time for restroom breaks, a snack, or simply sitting down without constantly watching the clock. Travel should feel like a journey, not a sprint from one gate to another. Number 13. Wear shoes that are easy to remove. Security checkpoints often require shoes to come off, and this small step can turn awkward if footwear is complicated. Choosing slip-on shoes or anything easy to remove and put back on makes the process smoother. It saves time, reduces bending and balancing, and keeps the line moving without added stress. Comfort matters too, especially with long walks inside terminals. The right shoes quietly solve two problems at once. Number 14. Double-check medications before leaving home. One of the most important steps happens before even reaching the airport. Medications should be packed carefully with enough supply for the entire trip, plus a little extra in case of delays. Keeping them in original packaging can also make security checks easier. A quick double-check before leaving home ensures nothing essential is left behind. This step alone can prevent major stress later in the journey. Number 15. Arrive early but not excessively early. Timing matters more than most people think. Arriving too late creates pressure, but arriving far too early can lead to unnecessary waiting and fatigue. Finding the right balance is key. For most flights, arriving around 2 hours early for domestic travel and 3 hours for international travel works well. It provides enough buffer without turning the airport into a long waiting game. The goal is a steady, unhurried start to the trip. Number 16. Keep a lightweight travel folder. Airports involve more documents than expected. Boarding passes, ID, baggage receipts, and sometimes medical papers all need to stay organized. A simple travel folder or pouch keeps everything in one place. Instead of searching through bags at every checkpoint, documents are ready within seconds. It reduces stress and keeps the flow of movement steady. Think of it as a small command center that keeps everything under control. Number 17. Watch gate changes closely. Airports have a habit of changing gates at the last minute, almost like a moving target. Sitting comfortably only to realize the gate has shifted across the terminal is a common frustration. Keeping an eye on flight information screens or mobile updates helps avoid that surprise. Checking every so often ensures there's enough time to move calmly instead of rushing. Staying informed turns sudden changes into manageable adjustments. Number 18. Board at the right time, not the earliest time. There's often a rush to stand up the moment boarding is announced, but that usually leads to unnecessary waiting in a line that barely moves. Boarding groups exist for a reason. Waiting until the assigned group is called means less standing and a smoother flow onto the plane. It also reduces the stress of crowding near the gate. A seated wait is almost always better than a standing one. Number 19. Avoid overpacking your carry-on. It's tempting to bring everything just in case, but a heavy carry-on quickly becomes a burden. Lifting it into overhead bins, maneuvering through aisles, and carrying it across long distances can strain the body. Keeping it light and manageable is the smarter approach. Essentials should be easy to access without digging through layers of items. A lighter bag means easier movement and less physical stress throughout the trip. Number 20. Stay calm if plans change. Delays, cancellations, and unexpected changes are part of modern air travel. While they can be frustrating, staying calm helps in finding solutions faster. Airport staff are more helpful when approached calmly, and options become clearer when stress is kept in check. Having a flexible mindset turns disruptions into manageable detours instead of overwhelming problems. Travel is rarely perfect, but it can still be handled smoothly. Be a smart traveler. Enjoy your journey. Air travel doesn't have to feel like an endurance test. With the right habits, it becomes something far more manageable, even enjoyable. These tips are all about reducing effort, avoiding common pitfalls, and creating a smoother experience from start to finish. If this helped make future trips feel a little lighter, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, no-stress travel advice. Safe travels and see you in the next video.